Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how you can disable dark mode on the LinkedIn app for PC after the latest update. If you've recently noticed that your LinkedIn background is darker than usual and you prefer the classic light appearance, don't worry. The process is quick and simple, and I'll guide you step by step. First, start by opening the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once the app has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the profile area, represented by the Me icon. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, select the option called Settings and Privacy. This will open a dedicated section where you can adjust all the main controls and preferences for your account. Inside this area, you'll want to focus on the Account Preferences tab, as this is where display-related options are located. Next, look for the category labeled Display. Within this section, LinkedIn gives you the flexibility to manage how the interface looks on your screen. You'll see the feature called Dark Mode. Click on it, and several choices will appear that let you customize the app's appearance. Now, to completely turn off dark mode, choose the option labeled Always Off. By doing this, you're ensuring that LinkedIn's light theme will be active at all times, regardless of your system settings or what time of day it is. The app will instantly switch back to a lighter interface, restoring the clean and classic look you may be more comfortable with. That's it. You've just disabled dark mode on the LinkedIn app for PC using the most recent settings. From now on, whenever you open LinkedIn, your display will stay in light mode, making it easier to read if bright layouts are your preference. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to adjust any other display settings on your account to personalize LinkedIn even further. Keeping your workspace the way you like helps make networking and browsing more enjoyable.